Okay, give me a second, guys, as we always do here. Let's get the stream key pasted over to our other groups, and then I'll try to hurry up on this morning. I was thinking about going on 5 minutes earlier, just because it takes me so long. There's just so much shit to do nowadays. Right? I don't know. That's up to you guys. Okay. Just give me a second. Come on. Let's do it. Weird. It's not letting me do it yet. Okay, we'll try it in a minute then, I guess. It won't let me share the link for some reason. It's kind of weird. Maybe because it's not broadcasted long enough, maybe. I don't know. Who knows, guys? Who knows? Okay, anyways. Okay, good morning, everybody. I'll start going through the list here. Jonathan, number 1 this morning. Good morning, brother. Good morning. How's the gold panning business going, man? The prospecting business. Are you guys doing good? You and JP? Okay, David, good morning. Are you going to be late? I try not to be. I've been late twice, guys. I know you're just joking. But, it is what it is, man. I try not to be, man. I'm usually up a couple hours early. Okay, anyways. Oh, yeah, I just explained I'm live. Okay, Warren, good morning, brother. Good morning, good morning. I did get the chat bar locked down. I found a way to do it without shutting the stream down and having to redo the key. Okay, so Aaron, Ken, Test, good morning. Right on. We got another full patch member. We got a whack of them in here this morning. Okay. Joker's dad. Glock, good morning, brother. Christopher, good morning. Jason, good morning. Yorkie, good morning. Hey, Yorkie, how you doing, bro? I haven't seen you in a couple days on here. Or actually a week or so. Cooking, how's it doing? Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree giving her this morning? We'll have a look at that in a little bit, my friends. Let's just try getting this. Okay, it's letting me paste the link now. Okay, so what do I got? 3 minutes here? We'll get her done. We'll get her done. We'll get her done, guys. And I got some charts. Charts. I got some charts that are not that accurate. But we can use it as a guideline because shit's going up. Okay? So I'm just going to explain some stuff and we'll get into why it's not accurate and what I think the actual real numbers are. Good morning, Squeeze Play. Good morning, Ed. Okay, now we're over at Reddit right now. Reddit. Let's all Reddit. Fuck. Did they kick me out of Reddit or something here? Probably. Because I got a bit of an attitude. They might have kicked me out of Reddit. Oh, no, they didn't. I know you guys like my attitude sometimes. I try to behave myself, but I told you, I told you guys that. Well, you guys know. You guys know my style, right? I just don't like anybody messing with my subs, man. Like when I say mine, I mean the group. I that's one thing. When I first built it, the very first day, I was not going to be one of these groups that are going to be pushed around by people coming in off just who knows, right? Just anybody. We built this group for a reason. We have a very tight knit group, and I'm so impressed the way it's going, guys, and I know you guys are too, right? We're doing really good, and that's you guys doing it. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting here broadcasting, and I'll say that right till the end. You guys are ones that bring all the stuff to the table, right? And like Christopher buying a screen protector. Notice we're getting harsh glare off that screen. So he just bought the screen protector for the TV. I will be ordering it in the next couple of days. I'm just doing some research right now. There's like 50 different types out there. So I'm doing that. Market's open in a minute here. Okay. Okay. Just got to set a flare on this. This is a tendy day today. We're going to post tendies on there all day long. Market just opened. Perfect friggin' timing. Okay. Let's have a look here. And we are using TradingView today. And I've already stamped our watermark on there for us. Okay, let's see what happens. We were sitting at a low with pre-market here. Let's pull these numbers back up here and get them out of the way. There we go. The chart hasn't been updated today. And I missed what it was pre-market. That's one thing I don't like about this chart, but it is what it is. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Sanjay, what's up, brother? Mr. L, good morning. Good morning. And squeeze, but yeah, I already said that. Okay, yeah, buddy, business is good today. I spent time with the kids. Aw, right on, man. Right on. JP, how you doing, man? Are you coming out tomorrow at 5 o'clock, guys? Is party night on the channel. So, it's up to you if you want to come. If you do, you might want to put the little wolves in the other room. Things get a little crazy sometimes on the channel. Depends on how depends what we're talking about or who's peed us off in the world or whatever. I let you guys just go to town on the chat bar. It's kind of like a free for all. You guys can say whatever you want. I always unlock it if you start swearing and stuff like that. Look at this push going on right now. Wow, come on, put us at par. Put us at par, and then we got something to work with. Don't give us a negative day to start off. It is what it is. It is what it is, and I got some news for you guys in a bit. We're gonna go through some charts. Hey, it's all good, and if you guys don't drink, bring Red Bulls, whatever you want. Coffee, right? That's just I don't drink that much either, guys, right? Like, I'm not like, you have to remember, I'm an old wolf here, right? So once a week or maybe every 2 weeks, like sometimes on party night I might just have like pop or coffee or something, right? But I'm just giving you guys the opportunity to vent, and it's a free-for-all, man. And Sanjay has the time off work. He took the time off, or actually his shift, isn't it your shift or something? I drink too, a little bit, but look at this. We're getting some juicy friggin' candles. Look at the test levels on those wicks. That's a good sign. I don't like the pullbacks though, but that's a good sign. So we're testing at this level right here, and it can't hold it. 46, 70, 46. Sorry, I'll hit it dead on. 46, 88. So around the 46, 70 mark, we got a little bit of a resistance issue. So we're gonna. Good morning, Frank. Test drinks. Miami's in the house. JP, where are you from again? And where is I want, this has been like on my mind. I keep on forgetting to ask you. And where is Jonathan from? Are you guys like in different states or counties, I should say? I guess you guys use counties down there, right? I'm trying to educate myself on this stuff, right? We use provinces. What a stupid word, eh? Okay, I'll blow that up for you guys that have the smartphones going. And oh wow, look at wow, you guys are throwing a lot of love out there today. A lot of love, eh? Wow, that's awesome, man. Guys are, Mark, it's only been open 3 minutes. You guys, wow, man. Thank you. It makes me feel respected. I really appreciate that, guys. I just noticed that when I look up because it lights up on my screen, right? He's in California. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. And you just guys obviously talk by phone. Okay, I thought you guys have such a close friendship. I thought that like you were in the same place. Kind of like Warren and Frank. Here we go. Pump those candles. We're just waiting for, I know I say this every morning, but for the new traders on here, what happens is, because it's an educational channel too, is these platforms, these smart apps, this never used to happen before, guys, okay? This is new in the last 3-4 years with this weird shit for the first 15 minutes to a half an hour, even maybe a little bit longer, depends on what stocks. These things got to unload, all these trading apps that trade at night, right? Because you used to never be able to do the buying at night. That's all new, okay? There's no way you could go, you'd have to wait for them to execute a ticket, paper, right? And then it gets put into a container, doof, and it goes upstairs, right, and gets registered. So, like kind of like I don't know if they still do it, but in Walmart where when they cash out, they stick the cash in that container, and then they stick it in the tube, and it goes, and it goes upstairs, and then it goes and gets submitted. It was a way better way. Then they bid on it on the floor, right? Just so you guys don't know, I know some of okay. Good spirits. Yeah, I'm in a better mood. Man, my throat's a little sore yesterday. But yeah, man, I wasn't feeling well yesterday. I was really, well, you guys could feel the vibe, and I was trying to stay positive for you guys, right? It's just, I'm human, right, guys? I'm human. I maybe have 3 or 4 bad days a year. Vacuum tube. That's it. Vacuum tube. Thank you, my friend. Vacuum tube. Way better system. Way better system. Way easier to well, there's no, it cut down on synthetics, right? I don't know if there was. I'm pretty sure there's a way around screwing us. Wow, we're getting this drive. So what is it? Yeah, the apps still haven't dumped yet. Okay, you want me to look up some stuff? Great doing, but wait for the month. I know, Yarky. I know. It's gonna be a little bit longer, and a squeeze usually takes about a year. Okay, I kind of know this stuff, right? I've done a lot of research on it, and like the Volkswagen squeeze and all that stuff, as you see my video, that took a long time, guys, and that was a lot of animosity against with Volkswagen and Porsche, right, and the government. Like, there was some harsh battling going on there, guys. Good morning, MC. Okay, so let's see here. We'll see what's going on. Oh, you wanted me to check something out. Okay, E-L-I-O. E-L-I-O. Off the way we go. Do. Okay. E-L-I-O. Is that what he said? E-I-L-O. E-L-I-O. Do I got it right? Yeah. It's a motors company? Is that what I'm seeing here? Must be. Okay, let's have a look ski. Oh, they have a D beside their name. Is it their quarters in? Oh, what the hell went on here? There we go. Hardly no volume, my friends, but that doesn't really mean anything, right? Because a stock can still, you can make a lot of money. Holy frig. Why is it not showing anything? That was in pre-market, it did that. Holy crap. Yeah, it's starting to sell off a little bit right now, but that's normal. That's normal. So somebody pumped this during pre-market. Fuck, did they ever? Holy shit. And then they started cashing out near the end. So I think this is just what I'm saying, just because I've seen a lot of this lately. I see that this is a pump by the hedgies or institutions, right? And some people are allowed to invest in there, right? It's you have to pay for this shit, right, man? Or you have to be on an elite crowd or invited to it, okay? So there's lots of ways into it, right? But the average person cannot get in here, okay? And there's some apps out there, I think, that with a commission you can get in, right? What they do is pump the shit out of this stuff, and then what they'll do is wait for the market to open, and all the traders will jump on it. All the paper traders, right? And they'll sting them. Okay, they won't sting them totally, but it'll drop down like 10, 15, 20%, which is the paper traders are happy because they make still good money, right? But the institutions make a whack of money on it. Excuse me. So it's up, it's saying 41 point, there's no refresh button on this friggin' thing. I don't know if that's how accurate it is. It was 0-0 after pre-market. That doesn't make sense. Okay, anyways, we're going to leave that on the list because I want to keep an eye on that. That's pretty cool. Good morning, Manjeet. How you doing, girl? Twins, good morning. Okay, I'm just going to make sure I didn't miss any stuff here. Okay, good old BB. Are you a lot of you guys in on this? Because I get this repeatedly through the, which is not a problem. That's what the channel's all about. I don't mind looking stuff up for you guys. So, are a lot of you guys in on this? Because a lot of people are starting to make videos on this. Do you want me to guys just, do you want me to start covering, we're going to have to start covering other stocks like I used to do. What stocks do you want me to cover in my videos? Like, who owns a lot of stock and what? Because I know people are starting to branch out, which is, that's up to you guys. I'd be focused on one thing at a time, but it's okay to have a couple plays on the table. That's up to you. I don't tell you what to do. I'm just here to try to educate you as much as I can, right? And I only can do that so far. You have to do your own DD. I've always said that. Don't believe anybody, especially in the stock market, man. And that's up to you how much you want to believe the creator. I do a lot of DD on stuff, but the DD I get sometimes is false. That's why I've kind of pushed away from Reddit quite a bit, and I've talked about that. And I can, if you do, I know if you're on Reddit and you're, they don't really care for YouTubers. About 3/4 of them don't. Okay, I'm just telling you right now. If there's a big battle going on right now, it's all because of Review Dork started a big war on there, and I'm getting the flack on it. All the creators are getting flack on it. BB out of Quebec, Canada. Ticker symbol BB. Why is BB falling like a knife? Black. Okay, I'm gonna go. Just give me a second here, my friends. Info on BB cooking. Did I already got that? Oh, info. You want some info on this? Let's give me some info. Oh, come on, get up here. Get up here. I want to bounce to another chart here because I don't like that chart. Okay, we're gonna have to put some BB in here. Just give me a second, my friends. Be big. Be big. Be big. Okay, come on. That's not cool. And then I'll get into some other stuff, my friends. Okay, be big. Give you some info here. We're actually getting a lot of volume coming in right now, guys. It's having a fight right now. It's getting. They're trying to ladder attack it. Okay, straight up. It's just bouncing. It's bouncing, but it's actually they're winning it. The retail investors are winning the fight right now. It's the volume's at 11 million. 0.28 right now, and they just drove it down. They're attacking the shit out of this right now. This, like I said before, this is very, very risky waters with this stock. If you're in on it, you got to be on your toes. I usually say not to set indicators. I would be setting my indicators on this because you could, if you're into this, obviously you're flipping it, paper trading it. Okay, obviously, right? Because I don't know about holding this long. I don't know that much about this stock, so I'm not going to make any comments on that. Okay, I don't do stuff that I don't know information on. Okay, 17%'s been traded on this so far in 22 minutes, and they're driving it down. They're trying to push this right down. So you have to remember, same as with the squeeze. Same as with the squeeze. That there'll always be people holding till the end, thinking that it's going to go higher. Okay, and that's where you want to be educated in. And that's what you guys got as your education, right? You want a good source, okay? You got to find a good source, somebody that's reliable, okay? And you got to do your own DD, right? You got to always seal the deal on all this, okay? Because it's better to deal with stuff like this in a group, okay? And you got to kick the fear off the table, okay? The second guessing and the what ifs got to go out. When you're a trader, what I did yesterday, I should have done this, and this. You're not going to be a good trader if you do that. You got to throw that shit out the window, okay, guys? You got to. You have to get rid of that. You get that pit in your stomach, that feeling. I know it's hard to do. You might want to try, like, I know it sounds weird, but some meditating or something like that to get rid of that. You should do something like some couple deep breathing exercises before you get in the market. I do every morning. And I know a couple people on here, I'm not going to mention the names, do the same thing, okay? It's good, especially if you're paper trading, man. It's really stressful. Okay, my friends, so it's up 18%, and it's just levitate. It's going up and down right now. So that shows me that the hedgies don't want this to go any higher. They are attacking this, okay? And it looks like they're starting to win a little bit. They're getting an upper edge a bit. Yeah, see, it's going down. Okay, so that's enough on that. I'm not going to make. Okay, shares out, almost 70 million, 69 point and some chump change. Free float is 60. So yeah, it's shorted to shit. I'd be careful. There's a whole bunch of sharks in that. Okay, guys. And I don't have that on a chart. I'm using another chart, but I'm not going to pull it up on the screen right now. It's too much of a pain for me. Okay, somebody mentioned something about. Let's go back up here. BB 5 shares only. Tim Twins. Did you bought some BB? Were you the person that bought some BB when I was talking about it? BB is one of those things that it's a long. Okay, if you get it at these prices, like on the fire sale, I'm gonna be doubling down hard on it, like hard. because I do really support it. Okay, so let's go into BB here. Oh, it's down 10. Oh fuck! I wish I had my squeeze money. I would dump at least 50 grand on this right now. I'd probably have to execute probably about 20 orders to do that. I would nibble away at it, and I would use a zero commission platform. I know that you do pay on a zero commission platform, by the way, because on a platform that you pay the $9 or whatever, the $10 like TD Canada, you pay the price is the price, right? On the other one, there's or it's only 1 cent difference, right? Or maybe the other ones are like 2 or 3 cents, or it could be even more. The bid and ask, or you know what I mean? It's different they call it different names on different platforms. That's how they make their money. Okay, they even make, and then they route it to a different exchange too. It's not direct. Okay, so they make their money 2 or 3 different ways. Okay, there's a big problem with that 0%. They're trying to change that. Actually, it's in court right now because it's false. It's not. They're lying, right? It's just a way to get you guys in. Okay, BB is getting is going down. BB has a lot of sharks on it too. BB's shorted to shit, guys. Just so you know, it's an old company. It's one of the very first cell phone companies. So remember when the very first cell phone came out? It wasn't even cell phones. It was a texting platform before it was even a cell phone. BB was the very first company. Okay, and they still have that stuff copyrighted. So it's falling like a knife. It's getting shorted right now. It's getting shorted for sure. But in the squeeze, it's gonna go up a bit. Okay, guys, I can't put a number on it. I can give you guys maybe a percentage. Is a little bit a rough ballpark. So 100. I think it's gonna go about 400 or 500% up. Okay, so that'd give you about. You guys can do the math. Okay, around there. Give or take 3 to 5, somewhere in there. It's not going to go like these. All of these things are going to get a little bit of momentum from because the shorts. But you have to remember, AMC is the catalyst and GME are the catalyst of all of this shit. So what's going to happen is these guys, they're going to start liquidating this stuff too. Okay, you guys got to realize that. And what's going to drive this up is FOMO buyers, because there's hardcore BB people, there's hard MVIS people, there's it. You know what I mean? And when they got their eyes off of this, they're not going to be laddering. They're going to be concentrating on their money. So that's why it'll go up. They won't be paying attention, but most of it's done by computer anyways. Okay. Dude, Tesla. I'm in on BB 5 shares at $10. So I just wanted to check something. Okay, so you're still 48 cents ahead. I'm not going to put a prediction on this because nobody can. Especially on BB. BB is all over the place. But you got it at a friggin' killer deal. Even if it goes down to $4 or $5, $6, $7. No, it won't probably go that low. About $6 to $8. It could go in that range. Okay? But it's going to be worth large. It'll probably go up to about a quarter what Tesla's worth eventually. Okay, guys? You could be multiple years on that. And eventually they'll probably have a dividend. Okay, and if they go into dividend, it's going to execute all the synthetics. Okay, I could see them eventually. It could take years and years and years, but BB has almost double the shares of what AMC has. Okay, they have a lot of shares. Okay, I know quite a bit about BB. Okay, good morning, OG brother. Okay, test all my trades. Capital is in AMC. Yeah, same. Well, I know because I won't liquidate my dividend stocks for that. I won't liquidate them for anything because I bought in at so low prices, right? I'd be crazy to. Some of them I'm up like 3, 4, 5, 600%, right? Okay, I just want to make sure. Chinese stocks we don't cover, my friend. Sorry, Yorkie. I don't do forex stocks. I don't, my friend. You're into forex stocks. Obviously, you must know what you're doing. Be careful. China's ready for an economical collapse right now. Okay, they're having issues, big time issues. I found that out. I think Lou covered it too, but I already knew about that because shipping containers. I deal with a lot of shipping from China, and a shipping container used to be $3,500. It's up to $35,000 now to buy an actual container. So think about that one. They're not doing good, guys. And they don't like to share a lot of information. You'd have to find it from people that actually live there, because a lot of the stuff is, their internet is locked down more than any other country in the world for trying to get information out and stuff. The government monitors it, okay? Even with the VPN, I got one of the best VPNs in the world. I got 2 different ones. And you can't even get through their shit with it. Good morning, Wolfpack. Good morning, Wayne. Good morning. Yorkie. Okay, big BB Big Squeeze info. It could go for a rip. It could go for a rip, my friend. I'm just saying, be careful on that. Actually, BB Big is not BlackBerry. Sorry, twin. I never said it is, my friend. Never. I think you wrote that after I started talking about it, my friend. Okay, GME. GME is actually went up quite a bit, but it's sitting at, oh shit, it's getting. What did it come in at? Just give me a second here, guys. I gotta check this out. 180. It's up. Wow, it got schwacked in the freaking pre-market. Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, it got hammered on. But if you guys are in, I don't have any, and I'm very transparent on that. I don't have any GME, okay, at all, okay? It's because of the price issue, and it scared me a little bit, and I wish I wouldn't have got scared from it when they dumped all those shares on the market. It scared the shit out of me, because I'm a seasoned trader. I know about that stuff, and I knew it was going to take it down like this, right? But it still has all the catalysts for a short squeeze. Okay, it's primed and ready, just like AMC. Did you want to know anything else on it, my friend? Ken, is it good to do a call option on BB? It's unpredictable, man. If you have a crystal ball up your ass, you could do it. Okay, I would not do that. I wouldn't even put option, like option. Yeah, you just asked, so I was just gonna second the option thing. I wouldn't do it unless you're really good at, you know your stuff. All indicators are off the table for that stock, though. You can't predict, and the indicators can't predict. They go off of data, right? They cannot predict when they're going to short it and attack it. They cannot predict when volume's going to come in. Okay. The thing is day traders, and when I used to do day trading and stuff before this, what I do is I sit back with my screeners. I'll have like 2 or 3 different companies on, or no, 2. I use 2 different ones. I use 3 or 4. I only do 3 or 4 stocks at a time. Okay. If you do any more, you're going to start losing money. Okay. You might lose a couple % here and here. You can't start executing stocks and rebuying fast, and selling fast. It just takes too much, unless you've got a partner doing it. If it's their job and you do a team and venture, you make a killing. So what you do is you look first in the morning. You get up about 4 in the morning and you watch the news. You have like 3 or 4 TVs running. Okay, you watch. That's why there's TVs here, for the news. But we're not doing paper trading. So anyways, I'm gonna jump onto a different stock. It's actually not okay. You already answered that. Okay. Oh, I'm at the bottom of the messages. Did I mention Big Soul? They are going to defend 50 to the death. That is the level in the last defense. Yeah, man, they're screwed. They're so screwed. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on. Wow, it's down 7.39 on GME. Wow. Fuck. Oh man, that's not a good sign for us. Shit. Yeah, Test is right. We're going to have a bit of an issue here, guys, in the next years to yeah, I would definitely be spending your money wisely and investing into some supplies for your house. Okay, I'm not being all weird here. Only smart people in this world are prepared. You seen with the V? I hate saying the word, that's why I say the V. You know what I'm talking about? That's why with the V, a lot of people were caught off guard. Okay, there was people that actually were starving on the road. Okay. There's places that wouldn't even take in my town that only take crypto for cash, okay, and credit cards, okay. They wouldn't touch cash, right? So it was very scary. It was very and gold. You could sell gold and silver at an exchange, easy. It was the hot commodity, but only like 3% of the people had it, right? So that's up to what about Sundial? That's up to you guys what to do. I'm not going to. Hello from Florida, Gato. I'm not going to get too much into that because there's Caps. He's not on here. He's going to be firing up a show on that survival stuff and what to be prepared. And there's stuff creators on YouTube, and I would recommend going and checking that out on your spare time. Just watch 3 or 4 videos, pull the most valuable information out of there. That's why I got cases of water sitting here, right here. Okay, I'm prepared to about an 85%, and yes, I could be better at it, but I'm okay. I'm okay. I got a generator that's 3,500, runs on propane. It can hook right up to my barbecue. It's 3,500 watts. It can power 3 of these suites. And when we do have power out, they pay me. They pay for the propane and pay for my time. If they want the power, if not, then their food goes to waste. It's happened twice now in this building. Okay? And I charge for it because I didn't spend $2,000 on a generator just for something to do, right? So, okay. Okay, anyways, enough about that. Okay, Sundial. You guys hit a topic that I'm very interested and very educated on. That's why I went off a bit. Okay, volume, not that much volume on this, so we're going to pump it into the 5-minute candle, which will straighten that out. What is that today, anyways? 72. It's negative 60. Yeah, they're just taking this down, guys. It's going to be going in that range. It's going to go back up to like 78. It might go down to 69, 67. It's just going to keep on doing those big sweeps. Okay. Sundial is in the next province over from me. As you know, I used to smoke lots of their cannabis when I used to indulge. That was only like 9 months ago. But yeah, really good product. And they have a huge cancer line that is actually in the hospitals and stuff. So it is going to go up to. It's going to go up to. It's going to have a tailspin with all the rest of this. It is shorted to crap. They have a lot. No, that's not the one. There's a lot of. Yeah, they have a lot of shares out too. Okay, they have a lot of shares, like a substantial amount of shares out. So it's going to go up. I can't put a price on it because I'm not allowed to, but if you guys bought in around under the dollar range, even if you're going to make a huge chunk of money. Okay, that's all I can say. Like huge. Okay, because the price is so small. That's like buying AMC at $1. Okay, and no, it's not going to go nowhere near what AMC is. Nowhere near. Okay, but you will make lots of money. Okay, I can't discuss an amount of money, but here's what I'll do for the guys that are on Sundial. Okay, there you guys go. Support. I don't know any. I've always stayed away from marijuana or cannabis stocks just because they're too volatile and they had a bad issue a while ago, and I'm just in on AMC right now. Right? I don't think I ever. That's up to you guys. Do I eat edibles? I used to. I ate some a couple weeks ago, and I didn't like it. I got too high. It was actually it was peyote mixed with a mushroom cap mixed with THC, and you can buy it at the dispensary down the road, like literally 4 blocks from my house. And what it is it deals with depression. They're called microdoses, but I took the whole bag, right? Because they were good. It was like candy. I'm eating it, right? And then it says do not mix with alcohol. Right on big letters, and I was all feeling it, man. I started reading the bag. I'm like, oh shit! It said warning, caution, warning, caution. So I didn't drink. I only had like 3 or 4 drinks, but I drank those 7%ers, right? So I was just starting to get a buzz. I was pretty high. I was starting to see just a little bit of things, but I didn't like it. I'm older, right? So I just don't like that touch out of reality a little bit. But it was funny. It was funny. If I was younger, I would have been in heaven. So there you guys go. Okay. Are we at the bottom of the chat? We're at the bottom of the chat bar. Okay. So let's put it back on AMC here. GME is getting hammered. Same as with AMC. You have to remember these things run in tandem. They used to run really close together, but they don't now because they're separated a bit. Okay, because the price difference. There's so many contributing factors in on that. Delta 8 gummies test helps you with sleeping problems. Yeah. Well, I want to try the microdose. Not that I have. Well, I have a little bit of I guess it's depression. A little bit because of my neck injuries, right? Not being able to do 3/4 of the stuff I used to be able to do, I can't do anymore. So it starts playing. It's just human stuff, right? So I wanted to see if it would help, but I abused it the wrong way, right? You're supposed to take like 1 a day and monitor it, right? But it is what it is. It is what it is, right? But I only feel depressed like maybe once or twice a year, and it only lasts like a day or so, right? It's just when somebody's out like snowboarding or something like that, and I get invited, it subconsciously, that's why I do meditation. It subconsciously plays on my mind that I can't do certain things. What the fuck is going on here? Hang on, guys. Give me a second here. What? Give me a second. Weird. Tap on your phone to resume. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure this out here. I don't know how to resume this shit. Fucking stupid phones, man. Are you kidding me? I don't know what to do. Anyways, guys, I don't know what's going on here. Just give me a second. Okay, anyone questions? It's depressing. Also AMC. Yeah, it can be. Yeah, it is. It is. But I never was prepared for a squeeze like in the first. I knew it was going to take almost close to a year. It's just that that's why I don't go on. That's why I don't tell you guys. I'll say it's close or something like that. When I say it's close, it could be like a month or so. That's close for me. Okay. I don't mean like the next day. But that's why I don't make videos saying that next week we're gonna have a squeeze. This is all gonna happen. All I'll give you is statistics, and you can do whatever you want with them, right? What the fuck is going on here? Oh, really? Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with this thing. It's starting to piss me off now. It links just as I turn the TV up. Okay, so I'll just let it reboot it here again. So, what was I gonna say here? You said that the most was going to happen. This is a dip. You said the most is gonna happen. You said, yeah, I did. Yeah, I said it was gonna happen. Yeah, I did. For sure, it's gonna happen. We're set up for one for sure. I never said it wasn't gonna happen at all. Never have. I've always said it's going to take a catalyst. We already did have our catalyst once. GME had its catalyst too, but they seized it, right? Robinhood screwed that. It would have been beautiful. Oh my God, would have it been beautiful. That's right, Sanjay. I like tests. That's, yeah, man, guys. What I say is I don't want to shoot other creators, but I don't really watch. I watch only a couple channels of YouTube because it can do damage to you guys. If you're watching that stuff that says it's going to squeeze next, or like on a Friday, Monday morning or Tuesday morning, things are going to be thousands of %, and you'll see these big flashy lights on their thumbnails. I'd stay away from that. That can do damage to your subconscious mind, guys. And if you don't believe in that stuff and you're feeling depressed over this, that's what it's doing and you guys don't know it. Yeah. So, I knew what I was getting into. Because the Volkswagen squeeze, guys, that wasn't planned. All short squeezes are planned, guys. Every one of them on the planet. You have to grab the interest. You have to grab the volume of short and do your DD and predict it. Then you have to get a run of people in. You have to get a certain amount of volume. It's all planned, and when it jives together, you get a short squeeze. Okay? And it has to start off with the gamma squeeze. And FOMO, that's the catalyst. Okay? So I'm just trying to make it so you guys understand a little bit more. It's just how it is, right? It is how it is. If it takes another 3-4 months, it is what it is, right? It's going to be a beautiful thing. It's going to be a beautiful thing. And nobody can take that away from us, okay? You know that, right? The only person that can screw this up is... the only thing that can screw this up is having a wrong frame of mind. And thinking that it's going to go higher than it actually is. Not paying attention. You guys are smart. You wouldn't be on this channel asking these brilliant questions. All of you ask brilliant questions. Okay? No question's a stupid question. Okay? I just want you, because everybody learns different and all that stuff. It's just sometimes it's hard for me. Out of 3,000 people that are on, almost 3,000 people on this channel, there's 3,000 different personalities. So it's hard for me sometimes to... A text can be taken 10 different ways. If you guys know that stuff, right? Hey, how's it going? Does that help you guys out at all? Me talking about this stuff? I'm just trying to help you guys out so you just have more understanding on it. I'm not trying to be depressed at all. I'm just trying to, I've always been trying to be a very straight shooter on it. When I bring my, because I'm bringing some numbers out too. All I do is go off of statistics. I say things are looking good. The squeeze is still on. For like instance, let's jump into some charts right now. And I'm using a chart that does, some people will say it's 80%, it's only about 60%, 65% accurate. I'm using Ortex. And I hate using it. It's just that my chart's not updated yet. So I wanted to get some topics to talk about today. So let's just jump over here for a second. And let's go to Oracle text. Oracle text. Where's that fucking dumb chart? Here we go. And I really hate using it, but it's all we got right now, right? So let's have some let's have a look-ski at this. Okay, we'll go over Ortex numbers right here, and then I got another chart for you guys that give you some positive enlightenment for the day about the shorts, about how much they can short this stock. They're almost at the end of their ropes. It's setting itself up good. Okay? That's all I'll say. And that's why when people, I'll get asked probably, maybe it's calmed down quite a bit. But when I first started the channel, I'd be asked about 70 to 80 times a day. When is it going to squeeze? This. But you guys all know that I can't talk about it, so now it's gone down. But about 10 times a day. Do you think it's going to do this week? That's why I will not bite on your guys' those conversations, okay? Because I have too much respect for you guys. If I wanted to blow my channel right up to like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,000 subs, I just have to start feeding a bunch of lies out there, right? But I will never do that, right? It goes against my my beliefs. So, because I love you guys. So, anyways, and I'm happy with the smaller group because this I don't care if it grows like slowly, but the sub, like me with reading your things, don't you prefer being able to talk to me instead of going like this? Okay. Anyways, enough about that. So, Ortex, as of yesterday, the estimated short interest, this is what they are paying, okay, is 19.23. I disagree. I think it's about 20 to 21%. They would never tell you that, okay? And then short volume, it doesn't show you what the short volume is here, how much the stock is shorted. It usually does. But utilization is going up. It's at 92.4. It's probably higher than that, okay? So that's enough on that chart. That's all the numbers you need to know. Well, there's a set of numbers. The volume, the short volume is a good number to know. It's not on here, but I think I might be able to find that out for you later on a different chart. I'm going to make probably a video on this later on, so you guys have already got the news. So if you don't want to watch the video, you don't have to watch the video. I might have some other stuff in there, but I'm going to have a video on these two things. It says you guys get priority on it because you're on the channel, obviously. Okay, here's another one for you guys. This is from our buddy Munching on Crayons. Okay, I'm friends with him on Twitter. Can I blow this up? Shit, I can't. The fuck? What? Just hang on a second, guys. Oh, I can see it better there. Okay, I'm gonna have to read it to you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, as of 31 minutes ago, because I had this when it was only 3 minutes. That's cool how it updates like that. Okay, this is for, just let me think. Short shares availability. As of an hour ago, okay, was 1 billion? 1,900,000,000 and that's not right. Just give me a second, guys. I gotta read this here first. That doesn't make sense. Oh, iShares. Oh, okay, this is on iShares, guys. That makes sense. Okay, because that doesn't make sense. See, I don't like to put wrong information out there. That's why I double check everything. Okay? So let me find AMC here. Is it on this list? No, it's not even on the list, so I'm not even going to cover it. Do any of you guys own iShares here? Because if you do, I'll read it to you, okay? As of yesterday, it's 1,900,000, like an hour ago. Sorry, an hour ago. This is for iShares, IWM, short shares availability. Rate 31 minutes ago, it only has 250,000, okay? And that's iShares. Okay, so enough of that. Then I'm not going to give you that information, or it's not what I thought it was, so I'm not going to even read it out like that, because I don't do that shit to you guys. Okay, yeah, Sanjay, I know, I read that. I know. Let's not even go there. I just read a post on him. I just read an article on him. It's not that good. His prior background and what he did before. I won't even talk about it just because there's actual people that actually really like the guy. So I'm not going to talk bad about him. He's just trying to run a business. It's just that he keeps on forgetting that he wouldn't even have a pot to piss in if it wasn't for us. That's all I'm going to say. I know. Headstock. Yes, it's huge. Well, it says 19 point whatever, but you guys know if you've been trading for a long time, you know Ortex isn't as accurate, and it's getting less accurate all the time because they don't have to. After that new law got bumped down the road, that was one of the laws in the 600-page document was them to have to report this stuff. Now they got an exemption, so all the information doesn't get reported to FINRA as the main collector. Okay. That's right, Ed. That's right, my friends. You guys got some good questions. Only listening? Okay, Bass. Okay, so I'm going to go through. Okay, number of shares they have to short over a given period of time. Short interest represents the number of short shares that they have to be closed out of covered by the investors. That's right, my friend. Yep. Yeah. Short interest and then the short volume. Short share volume, my friend, too. Yep. You're right. Okay, so, and I don't know the short volume, guys. I can't, just hang on a second. I might be able to find that. I should find that number for you guys. Just because it seals the puzzle here. Or it seals the deal. Short volume interest as of yesterday, yeah, today's the night, is 47.15. That is the volume though, okay? The short volume for AMC is 47.15. And this is still, I'd say this chart is about 85% accurate in its stocks era. Okay, it's a little bit more accurate, I think. And this is just a one guy deal. There's one guy that makes this stuff. Okay, but he does pretty good DD. I really like his material. Okay, so okay, give me a second here. I almost ended the stream by accident here. I almost clicked the stupid button. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull up another screen here. I got too many friggin' TVs going on here. Okay, give me a second, guys. Oh. Okay, I was just checking something out here. Just gonna check some statistics out. Just right, there's a lag happening here. We're getting like a 15-20 minute lag. Okay, it's fixed. I thought that there was something going on, but it's not. Okay, dokie, guys. Okay, do you know how much, or do you plan on hearing about them? About the NFTs? Just hang on a second. That chart. Yeah, Future Well, there is still a lot short, man. The volume, that's what you guys need a lot. I had somebody on Reddit that really got upset with me. That means nothing. That is the wrong, that information doesn't mean anything. It must have been a young kid, or there's a lot of kids that are 14, 15 years old on there that I don't know what's going on, but it's getting bad over the last couple of weeks. Just because I don't know if you guys, I'm involved in a lot of groups. I'm only affiliated with Wall Street Breakers, which they kicked those people off, and I've reported lots, okay? And they just kick them off permanently. When they just because we don't want that on there. We're trying to focus on stuff, right? About the volume that hurts us. Well, it hurts the stock. It doesn't hurt us. Okay, so that's just it does hurt the stock. They're trying to bankrupt the stock. They're trying to bankrupt AMC. That's a whole short squeeze, right? So yeah, that's all. It's good for us, the money makers. It's not good for the company. You guys already know that. I just wanted to verify that. Okay, average days on loan for AMC is at 57.55. Could it be possible that AMC goes back on the threshold list? I don't know, Monty. I don't know. Oh, somebody asked do we short squeeze this month or next? I don't know. It could be in 6 months down the road. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. We need a catalyst. I've always say that. I will not change my answer until the squeeze, right? We need a catalyst to kick it. If they ban the dark pools with that lawsuit that lawsuit that guy filed, I didn't hear any information on it. If it gets authorized, then they have to stop dark pools until it gets resolved in court, or else it's federal jail time if they get caught doing it, and the judge will give them a bench warrant. It's not joking around. Okay, it's the same as anything. If you have a restraining order on somebody and you go talk to them, you're going to jail, right? They don't screw around with that, especially when it's a federal judge, okay? And, Coinbase just got sued by the SEC. I don't know if you guys heard about that, for malpractice or doing shisty stuff. I don't know anything really about it. I just know about that. Somebody sent me, one of you wolves sent it to me. But yeah, I'm not, nobody knows on that, my friend. on the when it's going to happen. I should do a list on how many people say it's going to happen the next day, the next day, the next day. Right? It's just one of those things. Is there any indicators that would follow the squeeze? Is there an indicator that would follow the squeeze as it's happening, and will short interest be available at the squeeze? Yeah, they'll keep track of that. Well, for sure. It's the same charts as we'd use now, my friend. 25 million, another 25 million dump. I don't think he can dump it this year. I think it's 2022, but yeah, let's not even go there with that guy. Okay, Matrix 4-spot trailer alert. Movie ends on a happy note where AMC has squeezed. Right on, twins. Thank you. No, Sanjay, it would kick a squeeze on. If they ban the dark pool, or suspend, they won't ban it until it goes through court. They will suspend the actions. They won't not be able to use the dark pool for exchange until it resolves through court. Okay? What that'll do is all the orders go directly to the market then. That 80, what they say, 85, no, 60 to 80%, depends on the day and depends of all orders, not on AMC. We're talking all orders are getting directed on the dark pool. We're talking Sundial, BB, all of those, every stock on the market pretty much that has a substantial short interest, okay? If they stop that, it'll squeeze because we got more share buying. It's like hundreds of percent more shares a day going in, okay? Does that help you guys? Does that help you out at all on that, man? They're not gonna ban it. They will seize, assist in disorder, desist in, you know what I mean? I'm trying to say they will seize it. It'll be an immediate seize. And no, it won't do anything with the synthetics. That's a whole different problem. That has nothing to do with that. Can anybody answer your question? Robert, how many shares are allotted for a company? How many shares allotted for a company? They have to ask the shareholder department how many shares are for a company. Like BlackBerry has twice as many shares as AMC. It depends on what they apply for. There's a huge process you have to apply for, and it's up to the governing party to issue those shares. So, and then after they get the initial share offer, anything above and beyond that is up to the retail investors to do. They have to do a vote on it, okay? That's what happened with AMC a couple times. Does that make sense, my friend? Good question, Robert. Sorry, I didn't see your question up there, my friend. The reason why is because you have, that's why most of the people on the channel, and it goes to helping you answer questions, is because the colors on your emojis, you're coming up as a red pinkish R. I can't see it on the screen. It's hard to see, my friend. But if you have an emoji, anything, any picture of anything, and if you could do it, if you can't, then don't worry about it. But if you switch that, it makes it easier to see. Okay, my friend? Good morning, Brooke. Sanjay, as long as it's good. It won't be negative for... No, it won't be negative for us, my friends. No, that could be our catalyst. That would be our catalyst, guys. And that I will put my name on. If they ban or they won't ban it. I keep on saying ban. That's not going to happen. They suspend it. It has to be put through court to get a ban on it. And it will. Trust me. It's a conflict of interest. And it'll take years because they got to subpoena all these different companies, all these documents. You're going to see crates and crates of documents. Everything that's been deterred, every stock, and then they're going to find synthetics, which will be another lawsuit. But they're going to probably launch another one off of that one, off of the case law. Okay, it's going to be a big fuck. It could take 5 years, man. Pardon my language. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure I answer all your questions here, my friends. Yeah, I think I tweak it. Can you answer my question? Yeah, I just did. God, that was long as well. Okay, I got all your questions answered. Okay, we're caught up. Here. I'm just trying to think, is there anything else this morning that I wanted to talk to you guys about? I don't know. I don't know. I had to throw a Glock out there. That's for the hedgies. Okay. Oh, I got that screen stuck on there. Sorry, guys. I thought we had... What the fuck am I doing this morning? Sorry about that. You guys should have said something. Hey, the screen, man. Put our screen back on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Did I cancel TradingView? What's going on here? There we go. We have the power. Okay, what are we at now? Oh, we've gone up quite a bit. It's gone. AMC was at minus 3 to 4% when we left. It's at 2.78 right now in the negative. Wow, fucking GME. I feel sorry for GME right now. We get whacked like that too. But oh wow, that's a pretty bad day. 182.10, 8.40, and you guys know that these aren't the real prices, and if you've been following this whole thing, you would know that because of the dark pool and the dark market and all that stuff. That's the reason why the prices are so low, is because of the after exchange that they're rerouting the shares. That's why the price is not moving. That's affecting our prices, is the dark pool. Okay, that's the whole thing with the dark pool. That's why these prices are not the prices, because if they would have listed all those shares on here, who knows, it would be phenomenal. This thing would be crazy right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the I should have done this a while ago, just for everybody that's listening on audio, and somebody was saying that they were. So AMC, ticker symbol AMC, is at $46 right across the board, 2.83% in the red. GME is 182 right across the board. It is 8.45 in the red, negative. Air Canada's at $23.80. They must have had some information come out, because they're at 1.32%. They've actually gone up a little bit. Ticker symbol AAL that's quite a bit on that. American Airlines is $20.11. It's gone up 5.12. I'll read. It just went up 5.18 in the red. I mean in the green. That's pretty good. 5% crank on an airline. SPY. Ticker symbol SPY is 4,000 or 400. I'm seeing too many zeros here because the ticker keeps on changing on me. 452.26, 0.30 in the green. SU ticker symbol Suncor Energy is at $23.30, 0.73. They do pay a dividend, that one. Ticker symbol BB BlackBerry is at $10.88, 4.72 in the positive, in the green. There you guys go. Remember I said that's unpredictable, that stock. Now it's at 4.72 in the green. You're just at 1.77 in the minus. So because it's undervalued, and a lot of people know that. MVIS is at $13.87. This one's changed too, 2.74 in the green. Awesome. Same with Sundial's gone up. It was in the negative. It was actually one in the negative. It's totally flipped. It's right around. It's because of all those stocks, or all the apps have dumped, and it's stabilized now. I just wish that would happen with us. Sundial's at $74 or 74 cents. So it's 0.74, 1.09 in the green. Ticker symbol CGC is Canopy Growth Corporation, and it is $15.84, is 0.06 in the negative, in the red. Okay, lithium stock, VLI, which is Visions Lithium. Visions Lithium is at 0.12 2.25. And it's par. Okay, I'm going to skip a couple of these right here. Damn. Shit. Sorry, I'm just looking at another stock that I'm losing money on. Damn it. I should have cashed out yesterday. Every day is what it is. Okay, it's only 5% down. That's chump change. Okay, we're going to get into MMAT. It's gone up now. Now it's doing not bad. It's $5.23. It's 2.35 in the green. MNMD is $2.59. 1.52 in the green. Is it in the green? In the red, sorry. This dark screen setting, it doesn't show you the colors. So that's why I'll make mistakes once in a while on it, guys. I'm sorry about that. It's just you guys want it on the dark screen because it's too bright. So that's why I got it. Okay. Ticker symbol KPLT is $6.24. 1.56 in the green. Okay, Spirit. SPRT. $5.45 or $25.45. It is 9.89 in the green. It's gone up a little bit. So Be Big, BBIG, $9.83. It is negative 3.82%. Clove is $9.83. It is 4.13 in the green. Hood. I don't even know why I read this stock. I'm gonna take it off the list after this. I don't like this stock. This is the enemy here, man. It's $41.30. 3.25. It just went at 3.25 in the green. I'm removing that. You guys can just ask me it. Okay, and this other stock, I'm just moving it. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it for our list here. Is there anything else that you wanted to? Oh, did I say AMC at 45 cents? 46. Oh, $46.14. Sorry, man. Did that come out like that? Sorry about that. 46. Oh, I forgot the cents on it. I said 46. And some chump change, I usually say, but I didn't say that. It's all good, my friends. Thank you for reminding me on that. I'm watching paint dry. You're like watching paint? Oh, it's like watching paint dry. It is. It is, my friend. It is. It is. It's monotonous. Well, Ed, if you're going outside and stuff, you take her easy, my friend. Oh, sideways. It's going sideways. Oh, I thought you said you're going outside. And I was like, oh, hey, have a good walk, man. It's all good. It's all good. It's, yeah, we're getting a lot of sideways action, right? But that sideways action could push up a little bit. Where we're sitting at 3% here. What is it? Tuesday or Thursday today? We've been doing pretty good on Fridays lately. Was last Friday green or red? Can you guys remember? I know the one before that and the one before that other one, the Friday before that, it went up to like over 8%. It was beautiful. Or was that last Friday? I think it was last Friday before the long weekend. It was. It was. It was. It was. What time do we got here? We are at 7. It's only 7:34. We covered all that already. Usually it takes us till 9 o'clock. I'm gonna have to go reload, guys. No, I'm saying, bro, because it's not the real price. Oh yeah. Oh, I know. No. It's all good. It's all good, my friend. Oh, 45 cents. Oh, okay. Because I do mess up on that sometimes, right? Every one of these has a test limit on it. Every one of these candlesticks has a pullback on it. Look how long those wicks are. Every candle has a wick. Every friggin' candle has a wick. That's weird. Oh, I got it on the here. I gotta put it on the 1 minute for you guys here. When I'm doing my DD, I do a 5 minute. I don't use a 1 minute candlestick. Only usually when I'm trading stocks and paper handing them, I put it on 1 minute. But I do. A lot of people are like the 1 minute, so it's all good. Remember this happened a while ago. It was just like this. Oh, it went up to that one candle, pushed it. Wow, that was a nice. Oh fuck, we're getting a retracement now. Of course we are. You bastards! You killed Kenny. So, anyways, what was I gonna say? This happened last time. What the hell's going on with this? Last time, it was like this, right? And then all of a sudden, power hour, or like about 12 o'clock, it went through the roof. It went like it took it right out of the negative in the red, and it just bounced it into like 5 or 6%. Yeah, finally into green. I know. I know it's crazy. Like, look at that. Blow that up for you guys a little bit here. Make sure you see it better on the screen. There you guys go. I like how this one has a clock in the corner. Have you guys noticed that? It counts down. I like that. Like 17, 16 seconds left. Because the worst is when I'm out doing something like grocery shopping, right? In power hour, because I usually watch the last little bit of power hour. It doesn't matter where I am. I shut down everything I'm doing, especially if we're in a green day and it's like doing good. If it's in the 20+%, which has been a while, but anything over 10%, I like to get on the phone or wherever I am and watch it, especially 10, 15 minutes before power hour, right? Or as it's ending into pre-market or post-market. Yeah, I like this because it counts down the candlestick. There's nothing like, come on, lock and load, bounce, bounce, and you're sitting there and it just drags on. Now this with the app, I put this on my phone too. It's actually pretty cool. So, yeah. What is this? Engulf the end of a train reversal pattern. The Doji Star. I was just reading some of these Hammerhead. Yeah, Hammer. I was just reading some symbols. Just saw a new movie trailer on YouTube, Old Henry. It looks like it will be a good one. Old Henry. I haven't seen that one yet, my friend. I haven't seen that. Just read the BlackBerry made a deal with Microsoft. Oh, did they? That's huge. That's why the price went up. Mr. L, I was wondering, because that's a substantial climb from BlackBerry, man. It's at almost 5%, and it was what, minus some 1 or 2? That's a huge climb for BlackBerry. BlackBerry doesn't trade that much in a day, if you look over the statistics, right? BlackBerry is like a diamond in the rough that's been forgotten about because of its the BlackBerry itself, the texting platform, right? But and they got themselves caught up in a little bit of a lawsuit. It's nothing really. A bunch of their because they do hospital equipment and stuff like that. There's a breach with their Bluetooth software. There's a bug breach where somebody can actually get in and hack it. I think they've fixed it now. I think there's already a patch out for it, but that doesn't look good. But I looked into it. It was so minor that nobody actually exploited it. It's just that a hacker actually did a good deed and came forward and confronted BlackBerry and said, "Hey, I found a bug or a hole in your software where it could be exploited," which is awesome because somebody could walk in the hospital and start messing around with some of these breathing apparatuses that BlackBerry does, some of the software in it, and screw it up, right? Same as with the cluster in your dash of your smart car. It supposedly uses the same type of software for its monitoring the EQX system, I think it is. I might be saying that backwards. But yeah, there you go. So yeah, you're doing pretty good on your stocks today. Whoever has BB, that's not bad. It just went up another. Now it's at 5 par. It's going up. It's going constantly up. That's not bad. It went from, so you guys have gained 7% since we looked at it last. That's not bad. That was still just using papers. That's right. That's right. Yeah, it's old. And BlackBerry has over 3,000 patents. It has one of the most patent companies in the world for its software. It was 10 years plus, and it's still, some of its software is better than like Tesla and stuff like that. The cluster and the dash of the car, BlackBerry has better software than Tesla. It's just that Tesla has a bigger name, more advertisement, more connections. But like for like BlackBerry has for like Volvo Group, they're partners with Canada, unemployment insurance, all the tax places that run our whole system is all BlackBerry software. Just so you guys know. What's going on with AMC today? I know, Manjeet. I know. It's doing a little bit of sideways action. It's doing some sideways action. I know, I miss reading through the paper too, my friend. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. It was something to look forward to, right? But like, I guess, oh no, it wasn't really old news, but yeah, because this, sometimes for them putting the apps on the phone. But yeah, it was pretty cool, eh? Unless it rained out and your paper got all wet. I'm going to be back in a second, guys, okay? Okay. What's up? Okay, what did you guys do now? Oh, pagers. Oh, okay. Yeah, oh, pagers. Yeah. Even papers, like reading papers. That's what I was thinking. Same time era, man. Pagers, yes. Pagers are all right. Except that you had to find a phone to call on. But they were pretty cool, man. I had one too. And the batteries lasted forever. Like if you stuck a Duracell in there, you could get like a huge amount of time out of one battery. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna, man, this is what we had a couple days ago. This was there we go. Look at that. That's beautiful, though. That's what's supposed to happen with a stock. You're supposed to get, like right here, this is a perfect example of a stock. You're supposed to get an up pull. You're supposed to get consolidation, even a little bit longer, and then not push. Okay, if it's bullish, bullish. And then if it's bearish, obviously it goes down. But if you have a bullish positive trend, the buy trend, right? That's what will happen, right? You always should get side action, right? Because that's what it builds the tension and then it kicks the algorithm. Yeah, go get coffee again. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Nah, that's awesome. Hey man, if it keeps on doing that, I'll keep on walking back and forth. That is good coffee today. Tim Hortons coffee with Oreo, if you like Oreos. But Oreo, I usually don't buy it, right? Somebody bought it for me, actually. I told them to stop by the store and get me some coffee creamer. And they got me Oreo coffee creamer stuff. It's not bad, actually. It tastes pretty good with Tim Hortons coffee. Okay, what else is changing on here? Well, GME is coming up a bit too. It was 8% before. It's still pretty low, but what else is going on here? Here. Crypto's stabilized a bit. It's still really low. It hasn't done anything, but be careful. Be careful. I already know the one stock I'm in Kraken. I was just reading Kraken's one of the places to buy the Cardano. That's the stock I'm buying. That's the crypto I'm buying, man. I've been watching it and I like the movement of it. It recovers nicely. So that's just my opinion on it. So, talk to me, guys. Talk to me, wolves. Talk to me. Here we got a little bit more. What do we got? Engulfment candle, which will. Oh, it switched. We must have low volume coming in here because it's moving really slow. Sorry guys, I was just figuring this out here. I'm just trying to make a move here, and move for you guys, but I'm just trying to figure out pattern out. I know better not to do this. It's just I can't get you can't get the trader of a trader. Do you know that? Have you ever heard that one before? It's just that when you're used to seeing patterns, I just want to say it out so loud, but I'm not going to. It's not fair to you guys, and I won't do that because if I'm wrong, I know. Anyone in? Yeah, it's Ryan. That's a good question, my friend. I would actually like to know that because if you guys are in on that, I'll do some more DD on that. I'm gonna start putting other videos out on other stocks too, guys. Okay, because this isn't just an AMC group. It was never meant for that. We're gonna cover it 100%. It's just that I need to find out what you guys are in, what stocks you're into, because there's thousands and thousands of stocks out there, okay? And if you guys are in these stocks, you might as well get some correct information and some publicity on it to help your stock out, okay? A lot of people watch our channel, like lots, okay? There might not be, 100 times to 200 times more people watch it than that are actually in our channel, which is good. Okay, because like you said, this is a tight group, and somebody left in here. I noticed in the chat bar, because I get a message. Whoever leaves, I get a message, right? Which, yeah, I'm not going to mention who it was, but it's okay. I'm all good with that. I don't want to be mean, right? But it's good. Yeah, we got a perfect little group here. I like the chat bar lockdown. It's awesome. It's awesome. Because then when stuff, oh, look at AMC go. Because when we get in the squeeze, guys, I don't have time for, not dumb questions. I'm not going to say that, because everybody has different outlooks, and sometimes somebody might think it's a dumb question, and it might be the information we are looking for, right? You know what I mean? But when somebody's purposely trying to screw you around, we don't need that. I don't mind a debate, like if somebody has something to bring, like a debate. Oh, OG, it's all good. No. I'm not talking about that. No, I'm not talking about that, man. It's all good. No, I'm not talking about, no, you guys took that wrong. I'm talking about sub count. One of our subs unsubbed, which is fine, right? No, I'm not talking about that, guys. Sorry, that came out wrong. No, I don't care about that. You guys do whatever you want, right? If our group doesn't grow any bigger, I'm totally cool with that. I love you guys. We have a deadly group. We got one of the best groups on YouTube. And I know that. Like the feedback we get and shit. Pff. And by YouTube stats too, we might not have one of the biggest groups, but our overall stats are high on YouTube. Ow. 50.57. So you guys didn't answer my questions. Yeah, I know, OJ, it's all good. It's all good. We just won't have a repeat of yesterday again. Because I was up, even though, because I have feelings and emotions too. I didn't like the way that conversation went with that gentleman there. Like, I couldn't take it anymore, man. I just couldn't, yeah, wow. Anyways, let's not go into that. The people that were here, you know all about it. And I did it for you guys, man, because, but we won't have that repeat again. That's what the delete and button is for. Okay. That's not a ladder attack, guys. Just so you guys know, that's just a downtrend a bit. Because it's not levitating. There's no bounce. That's not high frequency trading at all. Like, I'm watching it right now. That's normal movement. That's totally friggin' normal. I know it sucks ass, but it is totally normal. This could actually drive us to the next level. It's just when it goes like this, down the whole frigging screen, and we're down like 4%. That's a ladder attack. Okay, the catalyst for GM squeeze was when GM announced the owner of a bunch of shares. Sorry, Tess, I didn't see that. I'm gonna go back into the things. I don't want to. Tomorrow should be an interesting. Introduce what? She can puff while we drink. She can't smoke in the house though. Just because I don't want my. I don't know. She smokes outside. But she can. I don't care if she does, really, but I don't know if she will. Maybe. I'll ask her. Most of my name. Okay, Ryan. Okay. Is it people selling at this time? No. Nobody would be selling right now, man. They're in the minus. Nobody would be selling AMC right now. You lose money. You mean paper day traders? No, they haven't made enough money yet. I don't think day traders would have jumped in on AMC because the volume's not high. Okay, you guys want me to teach you some stuff, that what I've learned and how I day trade? Do you want me to give you some, I already told you guys that. What I look for I look for signs before I'll even jump into a stock. Just because it's a good stock, I might not trade it for 6 months. I might trade it for one session and not go back to it, even though it's my favorite stock. You have to go off the volume. Does that make any sense to you guys? Things can go sideways too with the volume because you can get attacked and it's like shit, right? Oh, Sanjay, just give me a thumbs up. You want me to repeat it again? I will. I don't mind repeating myself. Do you want me to repeat about day trading, how to do it? Like the way I do it? Because I taught myself, and I took a couple things off of a couple people, but then I've mastered it my own way. I think I did, but that's just my opinion. I do pretty good on it, right? And some days I have down days, but a 90% average, 85% average, good, right? There we go. Come on. Here's our up push. Come on. Fucker. Need to learn? Okay. Not a problem, my friend. Okay. When I first look at a stock, I said this before, so I'm just reiterating it. Okay? Reiterating it. Okay. When I look in that stock in the morning, what I'll do is I'll pull up some news. Okay? I usually don't invest. I only invest into the Canadian or US economy. Okay, you got to pick one, because if you're too far all over, there's too many laws. It's too much on the brain. Okay, you need to do, or you don't go over 3 stocks a day. I don't. That's just my rule. 4 is too hard to watch. You need 3 screens. Okay, or 2 screens if you're not broadcasting it. Because YouTube takes up and you should have a gaming computer, my friends. You should, okay? Just because you're going to be multiple tasking, you should have a wired connection, okay? I haven't discussed this, but do you want me to explain this hardware that you should have and where to get it? I can explain all that stuff. All my stuff, I have a mobile trading station too. It all fits in a bag. I got a bag on it with the charging ports and everything built into the bag. And I can show it to you guys. I think it's just over there. And my laptop. This is my laptop right here. Okay. This is my convertible laptop. Okay. This is my gaming computer. It's about $3,000 to $4,000. Okay. So this is my laptop. It's a convertible. Okay. Sits like this. It can see my face and turn on. Look, it's looking for my face. Oh, it's upside down. Just hang on a second. It's all crypted, man, big time. It's looking for my face recognition. There, it just found my face, decrypted it, and it logged on. Okay? So, this is a 4K laptop. So what I do is with this is I put this down here, and you can get these clips. These clips at oh, you can't see that down there. You can get these clips from Amazon that clip on the side, and you can hook to. What you want is USB TVs, but you want at least 1080p. Okay. So what you do is they connect into the you want USB connected ones. Okay. They just connect into the front, and you get a port like this. This is a C drive. It clips into my phone because it's Android, and I got multiple ports on the side, and then a charging on the other side, so I can charge everything. Okay. So when I go to Mexico and I'm sitting on the beach, I will go out there as the sun's coming up and sit there and have my coffee and do paper trading. I'll make my money, shut it down. I'm usually out of the market by about 10:30, 11 o'clock the latest. By 11, you're starting to lose money because everybody else is cashing out. Okay. That's just my rule. Everybody does it different, right? That's just what I do. And then I'm off for the rest of the day, right? So, and what you do is all rules are different. But in Canada, you have to have $25,000 sitting in your account, okay? Everywhere is different for paper trading. And you have to have, you can have a margin account where you can, or a collateral account, you can get extra money on it. I don't do that. I actually pay with my own money. Offshore account is the best. Okay, and there's you need to go for coffee again. I know. Hey, we're getting some up. Oh shit, it went down quite a bit. Okay, so a $25 million commercial coming out. Wow, that's crazy. That's a lot of money, man. So yeah, anyways, so that's about the stuff. So I put the 2 screens on the side of the laptop. Poll question for the room. What is your average share price of AMC? And mine is, okay, I'll play the game. My average price, well, I have 2 different lots. So I'll do my 2 different lots. Oops, shit. Sorry, guys. I have 2 different lots. Okay, so back what I was talking about. So that's the hardware you need, okay? You can run wireless. This computer actually is only wireless, but it has a Wi-Fi 6 connection, which is twice as fast as a normal Wi-Fi. So it's actually just as fast as a wired connection. You can plug in the side to get the thing, but I've never had problems with it. So that's the hardware you need, okay? And then you need real-time monitors or a trading app for sure. And then okay, the other rule is what I wanted to. Oh, I bought shares the other day. Sorry, shit. I got to be more transparent with you. 40, and I bought some shares the other day at $44. Okay, that actually averaged me up instead of down. So it averaged my shares up, but my price. It averaged my shares up, but the price went up too. So it doesn't matter though. It is what it is. So anyways, enough. I've already discussed the software you need and hardware you need. So now. What I do is look at the news first thing in the market a couple hours before. What I do is I'm a volume trader, okay? I don't use indicators. I don't believe in indicators really, okay? I do my own shit because I know what I'm doing, right? To some degree. Of course, there's people in the world that know way more than I do, but even if you know all the indicators and you went to a 5-year school to learn how to read stocks properly, there's actually schooling you can take, okay? There's classes you can take. Those people, some of them lose all their money too, right? It doesn't really matter. So what I do is look for major volume. If I see a stock that's in FOMO, like in pre-market, that is just frigging going nuts, that'll kick FOMO, most likely, okay? It's not always 100%, onto the actual open market. So if you see something just frigging nuts, like for instance, I'm gonna use BBG. Okay, remember when it was kicking in the pre-market or in the pre-market, and then it rode into the open market and just went friggin' nuts. And then it collapsed near about 11, 12 o'clock. That was paper traders. Okay. So what they do is, I don't know if they do. I think most of them do use volume. I don't know. I can't speak for somebody else, but that's what I do. So I go off of news, and if the news matches. And sometimes you don't get the news on that. So those are the 2 things I'll do. The news I take with a grain of salt, but if I see major volume, if I see the volume coming in and the news, it's a slam dunk in my eyes. Okay, but if the news doesn't come out and I see major volume, like crazy volume, I ride the FOMO wave. Okay, and I always cash out every day. I never leave it sitting in there, because I can always buy back in the next morning. Okay, letting it sit overnight is a risky move, and that's not day trading. Then you're doing a short long, I call it, right? So guys, that's what I do. In some stocks, you'll even if you gain 5% on your money is awesome. 5, you got to pay enough for, and I usually trade in 5 to 10 and up to $25,000 lots. Okay. Offshore accounts, you don't need 25 grand sitting in your account. Okay. There's different rules for every offshore account. Different countries you do different stuff. Okay. And there is a percentage though you have to pay them. So you've got to put that into your you have to make it worthwhile. Okay? Does that help at all, guys? At all on it? I would make a video on it. It's just that's kind of personal information. I just tell my group about it. Okay, you guys. I would never make a video on that. That's something. Those are like kind of not secret. Well, yeah, I guess they're kind of secret. Well, it's just stuff that I would only tell my friends. Okay. Not that I don't want other people to get ahead. It's just that I don't want people. I don't know. I don't know. It is what it is, right? It's something for you guys only. Wow, some of you guys are new into the market, are new into AMC, which is awesome, man. Oh no, $16 is around the range when I bought the 14. You guys are all good, man. That's beautiful stuff. Beautiful. Great on, man. $38 servo roll. We're getting this wave action, man. This stock is known for that. Oh, there's so Future Whale. There's so many. There's actually E-Trade. I think is off the shore. Here, the company I used. The company I used to use doesn't exist anymore. They got shut down by the government. I don't know why. They just disappeared off the market. That's why I always cash my money out, because it's offshore account. Every day I cash my money out of my account. Okay. And I usually use PayPal. That's what I do. I know you have to pay a percentage on it. There's other ways to do it now, along with e-transfers, and you can hit e-transfer back. That stuff never used to exist a while ago, right? They're just improving it as we go. You can also pay with your Bitcoin. There's a lot of ways to go. I will try to find some for you guys if you want. I'll do a quick look here if you want. Here, I'll give me something to do. You guys just chat away here. I'll find you some. Do you guys want me to look it up for you to find some, and I can tell you which ones are the better ones? It's up to you, or you can look it up yourself. It's up to you. They all have different percentages though. Eric V. Yeah, I can tell you about them. My famous ones are the 3 soldiers and the three crows, because they're a really good sign. Okay, so this is a bad sign. The 3, you have to have a positive candle. Okay, a fully engulfed candle, which not fully completely engulfed, but you have to have that's actually the wrong terminology. You have to have an engulfed candle, which means that the bar is bigger on both sides, like a fairly good stable one. If you have 3 bads, it has to have 2 positives on the end. That would be called 3 crows. The other one, reversal, they're hard to find because they don't happen that often. Oh, here we go. That's 3 soldiers. You have to have a red, an engulfed red, and an engulfed red on both ends. Okay, instead of the opposite, and you have to have 3 greens. And that's called 3 soldiers. Okay, and that is you can't do it on AMC because that is actually a bullish sign. And look at it, we had a collapse afterwards. See, it doesn't make sense. See, because all the indicators were off the table, my friends, on AMC. Okay, a hammer is right here. I don't know if I'll blow it right up, guys. This is a hammer, okay, and there's also a reversal hammer. The reversal, this hammer is the end of a trend. I think it is. I'll double check it because I don't know. Security moves lower end after the open, and then the end happens during the decline. Candle is a hammer if it ends up to the form after a decline. So what it is they're saying that it pulled back, okay? It tested, it pulled back into a positive, okay? So that's why the candle moves up and down the wick. You know what I mean? Goes up and down the wick. That's why you have those are it's testing the limits, okay? So when a candle goes to the positive, that's why I don't know if you guys, when I'm saying it's having a pullback, it's when the candle goes, it doesn't matter if it's a red or a green, it can still have a pullback on the other end, okay? A red can have a pullback, which is good, right? Because it's pulling down, it's pulling back, and it's actually making, it's lowering the bar, okay? So your limit is actually, it was up high, it's actually raising. It goes like this: when a red candle goes down, the price goes up, okay? As you guys know that. I'm just explaining how it converts over to the other side with the money to the candle. The other way, the candle goes up, the green candle, the price goes up. When the candle goes down and has a reversal, that's why, like, damn, we're getting a reversal, is when the candle's going down, it's pulling the price down. Okay, it's the opposite. Like, does that make any sense, guys? Cap, how you doing, bro? That's pretty cool, Cap. That's friggin' cool. They used to use the sensors for that. A tap sensor, so when the rain hits, say, Volvo and BMW have had that forever, but not with lasers. They had it so if rain would hit the headlights, just tap them. There would have to be a certain amount of force. Same with the windshield, the wipers would go on. But that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. So does that make any sense to you guys? Right? And I don't know everything, my friends. Oh, and then there's a spin top. Okay? This is one right here. It's not actually... Oh, this one's pretty close. It's like... Can you remember the spin tops as a kid? You twist it and it spins along the ground? That's what it is. There's one right here. It's no... That one's... It's close enough. It has to have equal wick length on each side. Dead center, body dead center. Okay, here's a reversal hammer. Okay, this one right here is a reversal hammer. Okay, the same as a hammer with the handle and the hammerhead. There's so many different types, guys. There's lots. And I don't know all of them. I just know most of them for trending. Some of them I don't even use, right? There's a doji right there. The smaller body or a spin top. It can be called both. I have a video on it. Like, depends on what, there's different types of candle charts with different terminology too. Okay? Just so you guys know that, okay? So some of my terms are slang. Like, if you go to my videos, like the spin top will be in one of my videos and it shows you the diagram, whatever it is. You are right, it's a doji. Yes, on this chart it is. On this type of chart it is. I can pull up another chart, I think. I just don't want to confuse you guys, because you guys all... Do you guys usually mostly this chart, or do you use the other types? There's lots of types. There's hollow candle types. There's lots out there. But I don't know everything, guys, on it, right? But like I said, these these candles right here, some of these candlesticks, the indicators don't work. They'll tell you one thing on here, and then all of a sudden it'll be like, well, it says it's gonna engulfing, and it collapsed on the other side, and it says it's a positive trend. Because everybody knows all indicators are off the table on this stock because it's unpredictable, just because of the short activity. Not a problem, Eric, and not a problem, Tess. Like I said, I don't know everything. Okay, man? I just know enough to make money. So I've only taught myself just the signs that but it doesn't work on this shit. Okay? It doesn't work on a stock that's shorted to shit. Because you can't predict. Or this thing, this chart here, I've noticed it does it too, which is pretty smart. It'll switch symbols. Like it'll say engulfing on one side. Or no, engulfing is fully engulfed candle. It'll show you, I forget the symbol it is. But if the candle beside it is different, it'll switch that other symbol. Okay? This one doesn't have all the symbols. It only gives you like 3 symbols that keep on coming up, I've noticed. 4. It has doji, hammer. I call it a hammerhead. Depends on the stock. That's slang, hammerhead, hammer. Okay? Then there's a reversal hammer. They don't even list that on here. Okay? I haven't seen it on this chart once. They just give you the one. The red one, like, see, that's not even it. An upside down one is a reversal hammer, right? And it doesn't even give it on here. And then obviously the color makes a big difference. Okay, guys, so there you go. Yes, Cap, that's what I'm trying to say. Yes, when it's shorted, that's why indicators don't mean. Every seasoned trader knows that don't go by that. You go pretty much of. You can't really. It's hard to make money on AMC paper trading, guys. It's probably one of the worst stocks in history to do it on. But there you guys go. There's a whole bunch of useless information for this stock. I'm just going to jump over to... I'm just curious. I'm just going to dig around. I'm going to try something here on some of the stocks that you guys are playing with right now. Let's go to BBIG. AC Hammer. Hammer time. That's awesome. That's awesome. Is MC on here? That's funny. Okay, so... Yeah, see, it's hard to do it on this one too. I don't see any trends on this. But I know people are paper handing the shit out of this stock. I know that. I know that for a fact. Spirit, there's one. See, if you bought in here, but you don't know how high it's going to go. Yeah, see, I would have... See, I wouldn't have bought in this at... In pre-market, I wouldn't have bought into this. Because this is a bad sign right here. Right? Engulfing at the end of a downward trend. And this is a positive reversal pattern, but it didn't change. Okay? See, it didn't do what it said it was going to do. So it doesn't make sense. It did up here, but that has nothing to do with that because it just pre-market open or normal market open. Yeah, I wouldn't have traded this one. I would have stayed away from this one for the day, even though it had an uptrend here, but not that much. That's not even worth trading. What did it move up? 22 to 24, $2. That's not much movement. That's what she said. You can't touch this. Right on, guys. Okay, I was just checking this one out because it's actually gone up quite a bit. It's up 6.36 return on your money. Then you got to pay your fee. Everybody's different. Some of the fees on the money. Some of it is an interest percentage on your money. Some is per transaction. So you got to check all that out, guys. I would find 3 companies and find the best one out of them, right? Just do your average on it. Look at BB's up 6 point. Wow, somebody on here has made some good money today. If they put like lots down, like I would have dumped 10 grand on that one if I would have bought it. I would have made $1,000 today, right? 1,000, that's 10 grand, $1. That would be $100. 10%. No, I would have made $100 already on that. What is the name of this plugin? The scanner I'm using, stock scanner. Is that what you're asking, Eric? Which scanner I'm using today? I'm using the scanner, stock scanner, TradingView. It's free to use, and I actually like it. I'd actually open an account with them if I could, but I don't think I can. Actually, I do have an account open. It's just I haven't transferred money to it, and I don't know if I can. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I can. I just have to transfer it in, but I don't know anything about it. I just, somebody Mach 3, that because it is more than you. 2 golden rules. 1 cut loss quickly and 2 sells on the way down. Hope this helps somebody. Okay, the golden rule is of day trading. 1 cut losses quickly and 2 sell on the way down. Do you do a lot of paper trading tests? Okay, here, let's get off. Oh, we are on AMC. I was going to put you back on AMC here. Can you guys see that there? Yeah, that's better. Come on, push, man. All right, let's check her volume out here. Clove is up pretty, well, I wouldn't say pretty hot. Well, yeah, anything above 5% is good for a stock, especially if it keeps on doing that repeatedly. That can add up over like a month fast. Hang on, I don't like that chart for that. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna have to go to a different scanner here. Come on, go, man. At least break par for the friggin' day. It's still early. Oh, it's early as hell. It's only 8:30. Wow. Here comes the sun. The office is just heating up big time. I brought a fan in today. It was too hot in here yesterday. Holy crap. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Oh, it's right there. Okay. AMC. Do I even have it on here? Oh yeah. Okay. You guys heard about CEO Adam Aaron. We have made a contract with GME, GameStop, on a partnership. And then it says we're not ready to say what it is. It's supposed to be this afternoon or something, somebody was saying. That's what I just got on one of the stock screeners, so I don't know how accurate that is. I heard it in multiple places. Okay, volume for AMC. Whoa, wow. Guys. This is why we're not doing anything today. Oh, fuck, I hope we break par today. Damn. Okay, we've only overturned, shit, 6.33% today, guys. That's bad. That is so bad right now. Nobody's buying. That's what, and that percent overturn, that's, Jesus Christ. The volume is down too. And the volume is over total, because there is people that do sell this and buy and sell and buy. The volume is both. Okay, just so you guys know. Is 32.53 million, which is low. That's really low. Okay, we just hit 4. Turnover range is 4%. Percentage range, sorry, and the overturn is 6.34. They've readjusted it. The shares out is 513.33 million. Free float shares is 511 million 0.65. Yeah, it's set, man. This thing's set to rip. But don't know when. But just it's set up though, guys. It's set up. Set up beautiful, man. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Ooh, my lithium went up a bit. Lithium's up 4%. Fuck, that was... It went from 11% down to up to 4. That's a pretty big climb. Pretty big climb. Fuck. Damn. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, let's have a look here. Show. I know enough to know that there is a bunch of shit. I don't know. Yeah, dude, I never say that I don't know it all either. It's just not good to do that. That's not good for your subconscious mind either, man. If you start thinking that you know it all, you set yourself up for failure. Every millionaire knows that, okay? James. Yeah. That's right, James. If you're looking at a GameStop earnings call on the they specifically said that their stock is going to be involved in a short squeeze and it is going to be very violent, so be careful. Check it out. Oh, for sure it's set up. For sure it is, my friends. 100% it's set up for it. Like, either one goes, it's going to be the catalyst that we need. Look at that candle. Yeah. I need this fucker to load, lock and load. Bounce, man. Bounce. It's got... Fuck. Right now it's going to kick over. New candle. There we go. Yes! We just want the friggin' volume. Fuck. So yeah, if GME goes, it could be enough. I think it will be enough to kick this. Okay? Vice versa. Good morning, Gloria. How are you? Maybe I should have bought today instead of yesterday. GME had their earnings call yesterday in the afternoon, didn't they? And if they did, was the news, because I didn't hear anything about it. Was it good news or bad news? Because it looks like it was bad news. Because usually a stock will react to what the news is. Does it tell you on here? Last one was in, the next one is in December 24th. But did they already, it's usually every 3 months, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Or 2 months, depends. I thought they just had one for some reason. Should be in here. Balance sheet. Here's exactly the balance sheet. The debt. They're in debt. 712.5 million. Pretty much every company's in debt, though. That doesn't really mean anything. Very vague news. It was great news. It was at 5. Great news. That's weird. They usually a stock will react to that. That's weird. That's weird, man. Usually a stock will react to good news, right? It is what it is, but it is pretty expensive though, right, guys? Yeah, I know it's gone down quite a bit, but that's, you have to remember, a lot of people don't have money, right? Shit. Look at that. Fuckers. Wow. No, I haven't heard it. Oh, gee, I haven't heard nothing, my friend. Everything's in the book? Okay. You guys can do that. I'm not interested in, it doesn't mean anything to me, right? If I was betting on it, yeah, of course I would be on the news. But you guys, if you guys are in on that stuff, of course you should read the news, okay? It's just that I'm not trading it, right? Like if I was like paper trading it, news doesn't really mean anything to me unless I'm actually doing paper, if I'm paper shitting it, handing it, right? The shit out of something. Then I'm on the news. Like I want to know the news, right? But like even the AMC news, it doesn't matter to me because I'm long on the stock, right? If it's on my Twitter account and somebody forwards it to me, I might scan through it. Because if the earning call, if it goes up, the earning call, we're getting some good action here, guys. We're at a pretty good price though. We're at a pretty good price. $47 is not bad. $70 is better though. I would just love to see that money back on my account again. I'm just waiting for this to go. Come on. Got a point future. Ha! 50 is better, yeah. It is for sure. It is for sure, man. Right on, man. What the fuck? That doesn't make any sense. Look at this gap here. That doesn't make any sense. What the fuck? That doesn't make any sense. I'm not gonna complain about it, but there's something missing out of that. Look at that gap there. The computer fucked up. Can we get a howl? We can. We can get a howl, man. Of course we can. Just give me a minute here. A second, I mean. I just won't be able to crank it too loud just because, what time is it? Yeah. Because my dogs will go crazy and it's a little bit early right now. But I'm not going to say no. Of course it's a howl, man. Of course I can do a howl. Yeah. There you guys go. Good call. That was a good call on that. Good call. What the hell? Fuck. We just got ourselves up there. You know how hard a work it was to get up there? I'm sweating just watching this. BB's at 6%. Cool. I'm happy for you guys that are on BB, man, today. You guys are doing not bad. And that's good gratification. One of you bought at $10. That's good gratification if you just bought like a little while ago and you're seeing those returns already. Yeah, because I know, because $10 is very cheap for that stock. I just won't close a position to buy. I had BB. I sold it all though. I had it at, and I'm glad I did. I sold it at, I was at $24, and it went up. I forget what it went to, and it started collapsing fast, and I sold out, and it went right to $10. So I'm glad I did. I put all the money in AMC. That was my second batch that I bought, my 188 shares. I was holding BB for a long time though. It just wasn't doing anything. And then one day it ripped. And I was like, holy shit, it went up 20 or 30%. I can't remember. But then it started collapsing fast, and I know I know better. I know when to pull out of a stock, because I'm not going to sit and watch it for 3 years just for it to go back up. And I'm glad I did. I called that right, because it went even lower than $10. It went to $10, even a little bit lower. That's a huge. That's like over 100. Fuck, I would have lost over 100, almost 50, 120, 30% profit. $24 it went down. No, I would have lost 50%. Yeah, I would have lost over half my money. That would have been like, fuck, that would have been huge. That sucks when you see a negative sitting in your account that big. Come on, go, baby, go. Come on, make it par. We're so early in the day that this could turn good for us, guys. When I say good, anything above par. I would love to get our 2% back though, from what happened the other day. Grizzly Adams, yeah. Scaring the dogs. Oh yeah, Ed, does it get your dogs going too? Just reading your guys' comments here. Moon unit. Chase the rabbit. Hey buddy, how you doing, man? Just stopping in to see how we're doing. It was a long walk. That green mile, walking that green mile all the way up to this next level we're in. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I'm gonna stay on for another 20 minutes, guys. And excuse me. And then I'm gonna go relax for a while. What is that? 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:39, 2.5 hours. Oh, you're at lunch break at work. I'm gonna hang out with you guys for a little bit longer, and then hopefully we can get this par, and then you guys are on your own for the day. Colombo. I remember, Sanjay, I remember that one too. Oh man, that was good. You're bringing back memories, guys. It's 11:41 there. Okay, if it's 11:41 there, at 12 o'clock tests, I'm shutting her down. I'm shutting her down for you guys. I used to only do half an hour stream, or half an hour. That's all I used to do when I went back. I don't know why. It's now the time flies by. Like there's so much to talk about now, right? Because we've got all these stocks to go through, and then you guys ask questions and stuff like that. But my rule of thumb was to get in and get out, right? Just blast the news out, get in because everybody's busy, and then out, right? Houston, Texas. Oh, I have a question for you, just because it's hard to get correct. Is that border thing getting under control yet, or has it gotten any worse at all, or anything? I know we don't like to talk about well, we're not talking about politics. We're talking about news. There's a difference. I don't care if we touch down on that stuff on this channel, anyways, because it is what it is, right? I'm just curious because it's hard for me to get that news, right? And if I do get the news, it's usually fucking bullshit, right? Unless it's on YouTube. YouTube's pretty good because it's usually independent people getting the news. I can't believe those people. So, can you explain something to me, because I can't find the correct news on that. So, is it people trying to get out of Mexico because of the cartel, and they're trying to get in without citizenship and without visas? Not to break it. Yeah, remember I said earlier today? Remember I said that $47 is going to be hard to bust? Remember I talked about that very first thing in the morning before we were even in the market. I said that $47 mark, or the $47.75 mark, is really hard to crack. And where is it testing? Yeah, it's the 40. Remember, I said between I forget what I said. I think it was a little bit under 47 to 475 in that area, because that's a resistance point. That's a well-known resistance point. He's lost us. Yeah, that is our mark. Because if you go back here, this right here, yeah, here's the mark right here. I'll carry that line through. Look at it right here, right there. That's that line right here. We've had trouble before. We've tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or no, I'm counting the wrong. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we've tried cracking it. We got through it once. That's it, once. Usually this thing does a 4 test rule on AMC, but you can't go off those statistics again because it's not a normal stock. Come on, we got a bullish sign here. Come on, hit it, bitch. Sorry, pardon my language. Sorry. Sorry to all the ladies on there. I get wrapped up and forget I'm live sometimes when I'm in my stocks. all of the... Can't really tell what is happening. Oh, okay. The news here is also bullshit. Okay. Okay, because I don't understand what's happening. Ah. Okay. We have the same shit here in the UK coming across the sea. Okay, I understand. They are doing that in Canada, but the retards here fucking don't send them back home. They fucking adopt them. So now that they get that heads back to wherever they're coming from, oh hey man, Trudeau bends over and you can give it to him and he'll let you come in. So once that word gets out, they just flock, man. Here we go. Come on, go, baby, go. Don't, come on, don't pull back. We're at par almost. We're almost at, oh, fucker. Fuck. Fucker. Okay, it's trying to gain. It's going to try to gain. Okay, we're almost, come on, go. We're at par right now. Go, 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 go. Come on, baby. Go. 1 second. Over. Yes. Come on, hold it. We need 2 candlesticks, guys. 2 candlesticks, and then, come on, go. Fucking go. Come on, go, 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 go. Fuck. Ooh, we hit that resistance line. Right there. Fuck, it is too. This area right here is hard. We need 1 more candlestick and locked in, and then we're good. Then we just built a support level. Fuck. Come on, we got 26 seconds. Ah, it's doing a pullback. It's going to do a reversal on us. Fuck, it just did. 15 seconds. Somebody dumped a whack of shares on the market. That was a huge dump. They're not attacking this. That's just volume creeping out. Over. Bounce. Bounce. There's a lag in the system. Oh, there we go. Ah, fuck. Now we're getting laddered. Shit. No, maybe not. No, it's just not enough volume coming in. RRS is smoking. Okay, we're sitting above par now, so we'll take what we can get, right? It's better than the red, my friends. Hey, it's the same shit every friggin' day. I know. Come on, pull back, man. Fucker. Damn it. DD. See how it said double Joji and then it switches? And go. Oh, fuck. Come on. If that goes red, that's a fucking positive sign. Damn. 10 more minutes, guys. Make sure I answered all your guys' questions before I wrap it up here. Hey Jay, how you doing? Come on, go. Go, 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 go. Ah, you bastard. is what it is. Okay, I've come down with a lot. Wicked shit of a cold, feeling crappy. Oh, James. Oh man, that sucks. I know my throat's starting to hurt again too, actually. I'm gonna go lay down for a bit, I think, after this. For an hour or so and just relax. Come on, push, fucker. Okay, just gonna check my messages here, make sure it's not anything important. Just let me check, oops. Just gonna go on Twitter, guys, and I'm just gonna go through everything, make sure I covered everything here, any new news coming in. Hey MT, how you doing, my friend? What's going on? I'm glad that we're above par a little bit. I'm okay if we can just hold that. It's better than a red, right? I'm not going to be greedy today because we don't have that much volume coming in. It's just we got everything working against us today. I'm blown away that we're in the green right now. To be honest with you guys, I'm ecstatic, and I just want it to just lock and load today and just stay like that. I'm very surprised. It's not normal to be in the green with this low volume, and we've overturned shit on this stock today. Nothing. So I don't know why it is even up this high. Like 6 months ago, if we didn't have this volume, we'd be schwacked right now, man. We'd be down like 20-30%. Well, maybe not that much, probably about 10 or 15%. But it seems to be holding, which is beautiful. Sorry guys, I'm all quiet and I'm just reading. I just still can't get over. I'm just reading this shirt here that it just came up on my feed again. I'm not gonna pick on Review Dork, but fuck, man, that's not cool with the fentanyl, all the fentanyl overdoses and shit happening all over the world. And he puts out a shirt said, and a lot of people look. He has some followers, and he does gaming, so he's into that younger crowd. Because he does reviews on games and stuff. He did before this, because he jumped obviously where the profits are, and that shirt that he has, and he's promoting it like hell. It's all over the place. This and it's not locked to adults only, his content. It's coming up on just normal feed with this coke and hookers shit. I think he should be banned on YouTube for that, because that's not cool, man. There's just so many people, young kids dying, and wow, man, that's sad. That's so sad. I can't believe he's doing that, man. That's just wrong. Just wrong. I mean, you guys are entitled to your own opinion on that. I'm totally against it. I've lost a lot of friends that I don't know, with those issues, man. And it mostly it's younger people. You hear about it. It's just a very, very sad situation. It's a big problem worldwide, and he's promoting it along with his video game systems. Wow. I never asked, brother, what should I call you? You can call me Cameron, Cam. It's all good. Brother. Sorry guys, I just had my own little rant about it. It just blows me away. I keep on getting the feed pop. I don't follow him either, just because of that. I actually did follow him just to see what he was up to and stuff, because he was part of the community. As soon as I seen that come up, I delisted him off my stuff, but it keeps on finding its way back to me, man. So just wow. Okay, what's it? I need to eyes towards the ticker symbol AMC. Yeah, I know we're above par rate. Let's 50. Let's go. Let's smash this. Hey Ryan, how you doing? How you doing, brother? Let's keep this going. Let's smash this. Whew, somebody's smoking a cigarette. I can smell it. Oh, I got some news out here. About a $1 trillion. A bank has to have $1 trillion. It's just a proposal. The Federal Reserve. This was the news I was going to tell you guys, and I forgot about it. The Federal Reserve raised the limit that big banks have to hold in their accounts up to $1 trillion effective October 1st. I think they are expecting a big market correction coming real soon. AMC squeeze. So a lot of the big banks have trading apps in them, okay? And a lot of these trader apps, even though they're not themselves, don't have some of them. I wouldn't say have a lot of money, but they're connected through a bank. It could be a third party, but you might not know unless you do some DD that the bank actually owns it. It could be contracted out to a different entity and them dealing with it. Okay, guys? So that would be another positive that it's coming. Okay? It was announced too because of the AMC squeeze, GME, and potential other issues with the market, because what it will do is if they don't have that on board or that insurance, it will bankrupt them, because they have to pay you, and it has to immediately pay when you cash out. You have to have that. Okay, so they have to have a chamber of finance. That's what that's called. Oh, Joe, hey, good morning. You agree with that too, my friend? I know some people might not agree with it. I just, and there's a problem with that stemming from not just that drug, Coke. It's in all of it, right? So, and we only hear about a fraction of it. A lot of families are embarrassed about their young ones passing away, and you don't even hear about it. Okay, so I think it's very sad. Anyways, I'll leave it alone. I was just going back to what Joe said, just because this is it's behind a bit. Okay, today, let me see. My chart is predicting that. Okay, somebody, I'm just gonna read this. I don't know. I'm not gonna read it. It's negative. I'm not gonna read it because who knows? Just somebody. I'll give you the gist of it, so I'm not hiding information. Just somebody's charts, just saying they're going off a technical analysis that isn't good for AMC. I'm not gonna read it out loud because doesn't mean anything, and he's using indicators which you don't use on AMC, so we all know that. Okay, my friends, it is that time. I'm just blasting through quick news here, and I'll answer you guys' questions. I'll answer you guys' questions, and then we're going to go through a couple things, and we're going to wrap this. That's Joe Hill. You're awesome, buddy. Okay. Okay, $50 is the death cause of the breakdown. It's over for them. Yeah, man. If we get to that $50 range, for sure, that's a huge thing. Tess. Yeah, an extra trillion to like it's nothing, eh? That's a lot of money, man. Joe, you did too? Yeah, man, it sucks. It sucks, man. True Ed. True Ed. The 90s, laugh out loud. Now G2G. Okay, my friends. I'm out of here. And love you guys, Wolfpack, and I'll see you here tomorrow. I'm gonna go rest up, and we're gonna start an hour earlier. We're gonna start at 5 o'clock, just because of the time shift and stuff. We got people on the East Coast, and anything above 5 is legit drinking time, partying time. So whatever you're doing, if you don't drink, you can, that's not the reason why we're having this. Is to sit here and get shit faced together. It's just to sit as a family and talk, okay? I'll still have the chat bar locked down to a 20-minute thing, so just so we don't have our party interrupted by stupid shit. So yeah, we'll sit and discuss some stuff. Hopefully we can have a good day tomorrow, and we can go through some stuff. And yeah, it was the same. No, I'm gonna say answer Shamron's. No, they didn't have these trading apps. Like I explained this before, maybe you didn't hear. They used to do paper back in 2008. It was just coming out of the paper era, where they had to execute orders upstairs in the stock market, and they would put the slip in. They executed on the floor. It was put into a vacuum pipe and shot upstairs, and it was put onto a computer. And no, they didn't have things like this because the trading apps, they didn't have high frequency trading. Okay, like that. And you keep it real. Over and out. Peace.